Hello, little readers. Welcome back to Tiny Tales with Tia. Today is super exciting because guess what arrived in our mailbox? Peppa and her family are ready because we're unboxing the incredible Peppa Pig collection. Wow, look at that! 50 mini Peppa stories. That's like reading one Peppa book every day for almost 2 months. Wow, that looks exciting. There are so many stories. Wow, there's so many books in our collection. 50 books isn't little. There's Bubbles, Peppa's Treehouse, Peppa Learns French, Grampy Rabbit's Boatyard, Treasure Hunt, Babysitting. Which one should we read first? Oink oink! Peppa says we should read all of them. Starting this week, we'll read 3 to 4 of these mini stories in each video, grouped by themes like friendship, family, holidays, and more. Which one do you want to start off with first? Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next story time. See you soon, little readers.